Today we're going to be checking out some sink-related products. First one's right over here, and this is called the MPAC system. Now this allows you to change bathroom hardware without going underneath the sink or behind the shower wall. That's possible because all of this hardware unscrews and screws in. So if you want to remove, let's say, this platinum look and go with a gold look, it's literally this easy. Perfect for renovating or remodeling a bathroom. So if you get a sinking feeling when it's time to change your bathroom fixtures, this might be the way to go. The cost of the system, depending on what you choose design-wise, can be between $200 and $300. The valve system goes for about $75, and it's all from Moen. Now if you're looking for an innovative kitchen faucet, well then check this out. Now this is the Pure Touch faucet, and what's innovative about this faucet is that it has a built-in water filter. When you push this button right here, you can see the remaining life of that water filter. You can also control the water filter. So if you want to wash dishes, you can have the water filter off. When you want drinking water, you can just turn it on. You also have these buttons right here, so you can actually control the spray feature to adjust it to the spray that you want. And as far as changing the water filter, very easy to do. Just take this piece off like that, pop this open like that, and there's the water filter. The cost of this faucet, about $450, and it's from Moen. Now if you're looking to clean your kitchen sink, well then check this out. Now one of the nastiest spots in your kitchen can be right here between the sink and the garbage disposal. And one way to clean that area is with this. This is a garbage disposal brush. The way it works, you put it down here and clean that gasket just like that, and then push it down and you can clean that garbage disposal blade. And it usually can end a lot of the nasty smells that could be coming from that area. The cost of this garbage disposal brush, about $8. Another good tool for the sink right here, this is a faucet brush. This allows you to clean those hard to reach areas by your kitchen sink and bathroom sink, just like that. The cost of the faucet brush, about $7, and both of these brushes can be found in the Improvements catalog. Now when you can't get to a sink and you want to wash some delicates and hand washables, there's this product right here. It's the wash and dry clean machine. The way it works, you put the clothes in here, some water, some soap, close it up, and then just start spinning it, and that washes the clothes. Great for a dorm room, hotel room, or when you go camping. What's also nice about it, you can use it for dyeing clothes, and if you use these dry cleaning pads, you can use the same product to dry clean your clothes. Now the cost of this product, about $40, and you can find it in the Get Organized catalog. And finally, there's this sink right over here. This is called the Gentle Jet Sink, and it's designed to help you wash your delicates and hand washables. It has a built-in washboard. It also has 3 power jets so that when you fill it with water, this sink actually has some built-in washing action. Now it's made of lucite cast acrylic, and it comes in 60 different decorator colors, so it should match any mudroom, laundry room, or bathroom that you have. Now to show you how it works, first step, fill it with water. Then push the on button, and now you've got a sink that doubles as a mini washing machine. Now you can see the 3 power jets right there, and you can adjust the power with this air intake valve right here. The sink holds between 5 and 9 gallons of water and certainly makes washing those delicates and hand washables a whole lot easier.